Welcome back to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW, and as you guys can see, I put the old rim and tires on the car. Why, you ask? Well, I want to try a new product on the white wheels. I got some Q2 rim by Gyeon, quartz, and it's actually ceramic coating just for your wheels. So I'm going to bring you guys along, and we're going to get the white wheels cleaned up. We're going to apply this. I will then also do a follow-up review on has it helped keep the wheels clean. So we have a big Eurostance show this coming weekend in Red Deer, and it's also supposed to be the nicest week of Calgary this week. So we're supposed to get up into the 30s, which finally, like, it's been nothing but freaking rain. So we're going to clean the wheels. You have to let the ceramic coating cure before you get it wet or dirty or any of that stuff. So my thought was, because it's the nicest week, I'll put the old wheels on. I get to still enjoy the car. Might not look as good, but I'll get to have the ceramic coating applied, have it cure properly. So I'll swap wheels on Friday before the show, and then they should be nice and cured and also super duper clean. So let's get to washing the white wheels, and then we'll do ceramic coating on my summer wheels. So here's a before, and especially on the inside. The inside of the rims is kind of what I also want to help keep clean, because when we're at the show, I like to make sure that the spokes, the insides of the wheel, and especially the inside of the rim is clean, just because it gives a better appearance. So if that Q2 rim helps keep the inside of the wheels clean and easier to clean, then I've accomplished what I wanted. But they're not going to clean themselves, so I'm going to put you guys down and get to cleaning these wheels. Alright, wheels are clean. We're gonna let those dry. I'm gonna get a table set up, and then we are going to do another good clean with this Gyeon prep. get them, make sure that all the oils and everything has been removed, and then we'll read the instructions and start applying the ceramic coating. So, first instruction, wash the wheels with degreasing agent, done. And then always use iron tar while cleaning, which was the Armor All stuff. And then focus, use prep before applying the coat, which we just used the prep, Q2M prep. Now we have to take this. It comes with, in the packaging, we got the ceramic coating, and then a dropper to put on the foam pad, and 4 Gyeon microfibers for application. So we will get the dropper put in, shaken up, and then we can apply a thick layer to the pad and apply to the wheels. It says to wipe off immediately after application. So I think we'll do the top of the wheel first, wipe it off, flip it over, and then do the inside of the rim. And then the coat is fully dry after 24 hours. Only after that it can be driven. So that's what I mean about the actual cure time. So you can't drive the car if you're doing this to your wheels right away, especially if they're on the car. So I want to drive the car, but I also want to make sure this cures properly. That's why I put the other wheels on. So let's get to putting the ceramic coating on, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. Ceramic coating applied. I used about just over half of the bottle because I accidentally spilt a little bit. So there's probably enough in here to do a second coat. So I'm going to let these dry for a day or two, and then I'm going to apply a second coat just to be safe. I got all week to get them coated, and it's going to be super gorgeous. So I'm going to take my time. It took me about 2 hours to apply it to all 4 wheels. I just took my time, made sure I got every little nook and cranny, and got it really nice and coated. So I mean, they don't look any different than when they were clean before, but hopefully now they're protected and they're going to be easier to clean when I get to an actual show. So fingers crossed, but I will keep you guys updated on the Q2 rim and how it is standing up to the elements. Yeah, so that would be how you apply ceramic coating to your wheels. I will put a link below where you can actually go and purchase this stuff. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please like, comment, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when all the latest vlogs come out. And have a great day. Peace.